Welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is adjectives. Describing words are known as adjectives. Adjective can be categorized into six parts. It's a adjective of quantity, quality, adjective of number, demonstrative, possessive, and interrogative. Quantity tells us how much or an object is present, for example, little, any, some, sufficient. Quality tells us about the nature or quality of an object or a person, for example, soft, tall, ugly, clever, etc. Then number or how many. This tells us how many peoples or objects are present. Countable noun. For example, many, few, some, all, etc. Demonstrative points out a thing or a person. For example, this, that, these, those. Possessive. This shows the belonging. For example, my bag has been stolen. Is this your bag? That means my, mine, yours. Interrogative means to ask question. For example, which suitcase is yours? Adjective can be derived from noun, verb, or from other adjectives. From noun, mainly from man, easy, from ease, windy, from wind. Verb, useful for use, broken, from break, obedient, from obey. And other adjectives are blush from blue, stickly from stick, elderly from elders. Now you will see that in a given below a list of adjectives created from the varieties of word. You have to learn this. First, the word is harm, adjective is harmful. Trouble, troublesome. Pity, pitiful. Daily, glory, glorious. Whole, wholesome. Then spine, spineless. Face, facial. Satisfy, satisfactory. Ghost, costly. Environment, environmental. Violence, violent. Hunger, hungry. Create, creative. Value, valuable. Play, playful. Drink, drinkable. Book, bookish. Bush, bushy. Star, starry. Degrees of comparison. Adjective can have a three forms of degrees which compare objects or people. And these are, first one is positive degree, second is comparative degree. Positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. It describes a noun pronoun independently without any compare to other objects like soft, tasty, beautiful, good, etc. Comparative, this form of adjective denotes the comparison between the two objects or two peoples. It tells us which of the two has a greater degree of the quality being described. For example, softer, tastier, more beautiful, bitter. Superlative, or you can say a superior. This degree of adjective is used when we are compare more than two objects. For example, softest, tastiest, most beautiful, best. So you can see first one is a soft, comparison softer, and superlative it's a softiest. Taste, tasty, tastier. So now we will start. Here are some comparison has been given to you. See it. Noble, nobler, noblest. Happy, happier, happiest. Thin, its comparative is thinner and superlative is thinnest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. Ideal, more ideal, most ideal. Then skilled, more skilled, most skilled, late, later, latest, little, less, least, much, more, most. So where we will use the sum is used in an alternative statement. In content, any is used in a negative statement. I have completed some work and I have not completed any homework. So some is an affirmative sentence that you have completed some of your work but you have not completed any. So word any compared to the negative statement and some affirmative sentence. In interrogative we use some when we are expecting a positive reply and any with a negative reply. Can you please get me some water? Or do you have any sense of at all? This is the interrogative statement of some and any. Much implies a large quantity. For example, I did not expect much honesty from him. Many implies a large number. It's a large number. For example, she borrowed one of the many cars of his own. Little implies a small quantity. It is used in the case of uncountable noun pronoun. For example, I have little courage left. Then few implies a small number. A little, and the little are all used for countable noun. Few and few, a few, the few are used in a countable noun. Now start with the exercise. Identify all the adjectives that you have to write here. Little, adjective of quantity. Baby clutched the corner of the table in his tiny. Quality, first, and they slowly stood up, grinning wildly at his achievement. He started to taking small. It's a quality. Steps towards her. He swayed many times, losing his balance, did not give up. One step, two steps, three steps. These all are the 1, 2, 3 numbers. He finally 1, 2, 3. It's a number. He finally walked over a few feet. So few is also a number. She swung her boy into her arms. Possessive. It's a possessive. The rush of motherly quality. Motherly. It's a quality. Love and the pride, and now becoming familiar to her, she kissed her fuzzy quality hair and smiled at him. It was hard to believe that this cute demonstrative. It's a demonstrative creature had become a center of her possessing of her. It's a possessing universe in such a short span of time. She had never anticipated that the little man would become more important of her than life. His wise and experienced mother had told it's a quality her than this word is demonstrative would happen and it had. Now we will move to our next exercise. Create adjective from the following word. Shade, shady, universe, universal, child, childish, help, helpful, wealth, wealthy. Only you have to write Y. Peace, peaceful, FUL, peaceful. Taste, tasty. Adventure, adventurous. Now in the exercise we have to start with the fill with these words. For example, today is hotter. Hot, hotter than yesterday. It's a comparison. This is the worst piece. Worst, WORST. Piece of news. Bad, worst. Scrooge McDuck was one of the most popular cartoon. Most popular. It's a most. Was one of the most popular cartoon. Gold is a softer. You will write here softer. Cinderella is one of the most popular fairy tales of all the times. India is more populated nation than USA. India is comparison, so it's a more populated. Then G, pesticides are harmful in nature. Pesticides are harmful, HARMFUL, harmful in nature. The patient looked fatter and close to death. Paler, PALER, pardon. Now we have to use some or any. The word first one is there is some leftover. B, would you like any help from us? Or you can write it, would you like some help from us? C, I was not able to buy any fruits. Is there some money left? Steel contains some carbon and this problem requires some thoughts. Now with the little, we have to fill in the blank with the little, a little, the little, few, a few, or the few. First one is, all I ask is little. It is LITTLE. Then there are few pages, FEW, few pages. C, this little. Then D, the little. The little joy. The little joy. E, after the match fixing scandal, the cricketer has few fans left. Few fans left. She donated the few pieces of clothing that she had. She donated the few. The few. A little hard work never killed anybody. A little hard work never killed anybody. Few products. And there is little juice. left in the bottle. So that's all for today's session. Read this chapter, follow this video. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.